Yup. Plus I got PE today.
Yeah, PE?
Yup. I'm starting track already. Right now I'm practicing.
You like to run?
Yup. I like running bus speed or train speed, neither speed.
How about ludicrous speed?
That's too fast for me.
My daughter likes to run too. She's the fastest girl on her softball team.
Whoa, that's fast.
Okay, just out. Thank you.
Take the next left onto Ramona Lane, then turn right onto Regina Court. Take the next right onto Regina Court, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
She usually picks her up on the corner
Yup.
instead of turning around here.
She usually turns around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good.
I hope.
Hi.
I rolled pedal on a transit yesterday. I rolled another 38.
Ava,
Yeah?
I'm confused.
Hmm?
I'm confused.
What?
I'm confused.
The pedal on a transit 38.
I'm not both.
My name is Steve. I'm helping out. Mo didn't come into work today.
Ah,
Yeah.
Head southeast on Regina Court toward Ramona Lane, then turn left onto Ramona Lane.
So I'm just helping out today with driving.
okay.
Well, in the afternoon. This,
And in the afternoon, yes.
hopefully, she's out all day.
Yes, she
800
is.
feet, turn right onto St. Francis Drive.
Not since we had Silly Sal driving E-39. Now Sal is doing Z's route, which
Yeah,
is
he's in E37 today.
E37. Oh, that bus is a troublemaker. I like E35 better than
Turn right onto St.
E37.
Francis
Well,
Drive.
E35's got a check engine light yesterday, so you can't drive it anymore
Ouch.
until it's fixed. Yeah, it just happened yesterday or the day before. I can't remember.
Well, I think you guys should have done is part E35 right next to his sister unit, E34.
34, 35, and 37 are all wheelchair buses.
Yes, they're three sisters.
Yep,
And 43 is a cousin.
that's right.
Because I like
An older
43.
cousin.
Yep. I would say a 2017 cousin. Plus, it's not even electric.
Nope.
I like Chevrolet buses, and I like Chevrolet buses better than Fords. I should tell you why.
Why?
It's sharp, it's sleek, it's better on the
left onto Stewart Drive.
seeing a Chevrolet Bluebird G5 is much better than the Collins one. Like,
Yeah, I like the way the Chevys look
yeah,
compared to the
1,000
Fords
feet,
also.
turn right onto Mackenzie Avenue.
I'll guess the Fords. I'll say the Ford Cutaways are a bit too expensive.
Oh, you think so?
Yep. Because this bus is based out of a 2023 or 2024 Ford Cutaway chassis with a Z engine, which is a Z battery power engine.
Right.
Turn right onto Mackenzie Avenue, then turn left onto Coronado Drive.
And Bus 2 told me E-38 supposed to be based out of a Ford Transit. But no.
They didn't know what it was going to be until it showed up.
But this is a Ford E450. I like the E450s. Oh darn the sun! Ugh. But the sun just behave itself. Stop hurting me.
Right.
Oh, should have bought myself sunglasses yesterday.
Yeah.
I should I went to the Petaluma Market yesterday.
Buy anything?
I bought 2 chocolate milks and Betty Clocker's cookie dough. And I browned some butter besides softening it.
Nice.
Yep. Mia is out all day.
Right here?
It's right here.
Yep, got it.
Did you already go by Alex Hubbard's house?
Hello, good morning.
Never mind.
Hi, my name's Steve.
Hi, Steve.
Did you say Alexander's house?
Yes.
Yeah, he just got on right now.
Template.
Never mind.
Never mind.
I thought Mia was out all day, but no. My brain is just going guessing wise.
Well, our next 2 stops are out, Matthew and Jack.
Well, Mia's house is next anyway, because there's no Matthew, which is 1, and 2, there's no Jack, which is I don't know, because
No Jack in the morning only.
yep.
Just in the morning.
Oh, Caleb, yesterday they slept late.
Let's
So
see.
you can't be going today.
Oh, I see. I see already. I'm glad we're not taking first student on this one, Hope. If it's first student, our route was running late, behind the schedule. I was telling Grandma
Head northwest on
just
Coronado
to
Drive
just to
toward
just to
McNeil
call
Avenue.
Petaluma.
Let's go get the
Let me guess. You are going to turn straight on McDowell Boulevard.
Turn left onto South McDowell Boulevard.
It's north, not south. I
Turn
found.
next left onto
It's
South
left.
McDowell Boulevard.
Oh yeah, but they call it South McDowell on this side of Washington, and then on that side of Washington it's called North McDowell.
I
So
see.
that's the divider between the 2 names of the street.
Yep.
But you're right. We're gonna be going north.
Cause that side of McDowell will be north. I wish that side would be south. Just to make some sense into it.
Continue on South McDowell Boulevard for 1.5 miles.
let's see if she changes the name as soon as I cross this street.
Okay.
So we're on South McDowell, and now we should be on North McDowell.
And plus, we might pass by the Pedal McTransit yard,
Yep.
which is the Pedal McTransit operates a few buses, which is the numbers after our buses. One of them is 31 and 32, which is after our Ford Collins. And one is 33, which is after bus 33. There's 43 after our bus 43. There's 42 after our bus 42, but it got replaced. And there's 41 after our bus 41. There's 40 after our bus 40.
They have the same numbers?
Yes, they do.
I did not know that.
I written all of them.
But the only difference is ours start with E
Yes,
in the front.
because we're completely electric already.
Right.
Because we still got diesel buses, but they're backups.
Right.
In case a electric breaks down.
Which they do. They have that right
Like, the only electric bus I hate out of the fleet is E-36.
there. Why?
Yeah.
I've driven E-36 lots of times.
Oh!
I've never
What? What?
I've never had any problems. What's wrong with 36?
E-36 is a child, it misbehaves on low, and number 2, it misbehaves on south, and 3, it misbehaves on every single driver.
Well, it doesn't hate on me. I've never had a problem with 36.
Oh,
It must like me a lot.
oh really? You might be next.
Oh, no, don't say that.
I know it.
You're going to cast a spell on me.
And plus Kyle was gonna return. Hey Steve, do you know Kyle is gonna return pretty soon?
Yes, Kyle,
At the light, turn
he
left
helped
on
out a little bit
South
with me
Then
getting
turn
my
left
bus
on
license.
Sorrel Drive.
Bus license?
Yeah, because I wasn't able to drive a bus until February. I got my license.
I would say this year.
Next left onto one
I
Sorrel
passed the
Drive.
test in February this year. And he's getting his license to become a trainer. So my trainer was training him so that he can be our new trainer.
Do you go bus 30 or 17 or 33?
I drove bus 8 when I trained.
8?
Yes, 8.
That's the 2015 Bluebird T3.
It's a big one.
Yeah.